Hi, this is Megan Kane for the Stata YouTube channel. Today I would like to introduce you to Stata's new ZIO logit command for fitting zero inflated ordered logit models. In ordered logit models, we have an ordered categorical outcome. In zero inflated ordered logit models, there is an excess number of responses in the lowest category, and we think that some of these responses may represent a different group of people altogether. Now, in Stata 17, these models can be fit with the ZIO logit command or through the dialog boxes. First, select your ordinal outcome and the predictors for your ordered logit model to model the probability of each categorical response. Then, select the predictors for your inflation model to model the probability of a zero response. Your favorite post-estimation commands, such as margins and margins plot, can be used to help interpret the results. If you would like to learn more about zero inflated ordered logit models in Stata 17, you can download the manual at stata.com.